Well, just a quick talk about my favorite day-to-day tool, MunkiWebAdmin2, and how to make it work with a modern Debian release. So a little bit of background, I'm Martin Léger. I work at Concordia University trying to fill Tim Sutton's shoes, but I think I'm trying. So why am I doing that? Well, a few months ago, we were looking at the list of LTS releases of Debian, and we're considering that Buster was coming to end of life. So we decided to act upon that and go on Debian Bullseye. Only issue is that I was looking for Python 2, and it was kind of hard to find. So yeah, so we did it, kept a snapshot, but computer said no. So for 2 months, I was looking for options, and basically, I really wanted that GUI back, yet I was still able to work with text files, but I think a lot of my colleagues are a little bit like me, they need some creature comfort, and we are creatures of habit, so yeah. So for a little while, I had to convince people to work with Nano, Vim, or Emacs, but it didn't bring to a very good a consensus. So yeah. So we looked also into other options. MunkiWebAdmin, the first one, is another UI to work on a Monkey repo, but then again, since we're already using Monkey Report for reporting, I felt I just wanted my old interface back. And MunkiAdmin also, I use it for deep dive into the Monkey repos, but on my day-to-day, I prefer MunkiWebAdmin2. So yeah, as I was saying, I'm a creature of habit, so I needed to fix that. So basically, I looked at the dependencies, and I realized that some of them were pretty old, especially with Python. Same goes with the Django server. So basically, in the first few weeks, I didn't find anything. I found somebody that made a Python 3 fork. And then at one point, I discovered that there was a Py3 branch. But I just stumbled upon it, and I was just oh, that's interesting. So I pulled that out. So basically, I built a Python 3 environment and just cloned it up, checked it out. And also, I poked around with different Django version because my objective is to make it a sustainable MunkiWebAdmin for the future, whatever Pixar name my Debian version is going to be using. And I was able to go up to Django 4, so I added that to the requirements. And then I also cloned the Monkey repo just to get my make catalogs. And yeah, so at that point, almost everything was working except the WSGI server. And I think I'm too dumb to make a 2011 project run. So I was bummed out for about, I'd say 2 weeks. And then at one point, when you're in doubt, the best option is to go play sports. So basically, at one of my kinball matches, I was talking with one of my colleagues that works for a Layered Vegetable corporation. Well, not corporation, organization that does routing, Tor. So basically, he told me anything that is Django, very old, there is a software that you can run to make it happen. So Unicorn. So basically, I'm using Unicorn to do the Django, but I'm still not out of the woods yet. So from there, after that, I had to make a proxy just for the Unicorn part of the interface. And yeah, and then after that, call the Unicorn and call the MunkiWebAdmin interface. It was working, but then all the static content wasn't showing, so it was kind of a messy UI. So then the only thing that I needed to add to my Apache configuration was the proxy pass for the static content of the pages. And then after that, computer said yes. So basically now there's success. Yeah, so a victory dance, but there's still like maybe two issues to consider. So the first one being like create a system service, because now the unicorn, like it's not Apache that is calling the Django server. So I need to make a systemd with a Py3 venv, and also maybe like create a pull request and hope that it won't get denied. So that's it. Short and simple.